Ooh, lovely. Put white pepper. Put salt. Put salt. Then rub it. Okay. Ready to fry. We have to set aside tofu. Okay, brown already. Lagay natin ang onion. Put the celery. Put the ginger. Put the chili. Put the stem of broccoli. The spicy. Put the shrimp paste. Put the white pepper. A pinch of salt. The broccoli. Put the pok choy. The tofu. Put the tofu already. And then put the fish. So, okay, now we have to start to saute the onion and tomato. And then put the rice pepper. Rice pepper. And then put the water, rice water. Put the miso paste. Put the onion spring. Put the cherry tomato. Same wok. Put the ginger. Same wok. Put the ginger. Put the garlic. Put the garlic. And ready the onion. Put the tomato. I will saute this and then I put all in the another pot. Add shrimp paste. I add spicy. I put the lid on. See that? Lovely! Lovely! See? I have to taste it. How is the taste? Oh, lovely. This is the fish. Okay, no need to plating. It's already beautiful. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for my notification below. See you on premiere. Leave a comment below, please. Share, thumbs up, likes, like that. So, see you. So, ayan na siya. Kain na tayo. Ayan ang tofu. Ayan ang choy. Ayan ang broccoli. So, this is the fish. Eat. We have to eat.